Hi, my name is Steve Wolf, and I'm a graphic designer. In my own studio, I've been creating meaningful visual and brand identities for both global brands and small businesses, such as restaurants, tech companies, and even a professional soccer team. I live and breathe design every day. It allows me to combine everything that I love to do, including art and solving creative challenges. With my work, I try to authentically develop brands and solve my clients' problems through design. The logo is a fundamental part of the success of any company's branding. It must make the brand recognizable, establish its mood, and translate the essence of the business. To create modern and accessible logos that will stand the test of time, I explore simplicity as the main component of my job and play with typography possibilities. In this Domestika course, you'll learn how to design a unique logo type, going through typography understanding, sketches, and execution. For the final project, you'll create your own custom logotype for a brand, business, or product of your choosing. To get started, we'll learn about what makes a logotype successful and learn basic typography design concepts. After that, I'll explain different ways to add meaning and relevance to logotypes and what letters are best to customize for a project. Then, we'll discuss the importance of a project brief and how to create a mood board to determine our logo style. From there, we'll develop initial sketches for our logotype and then bring them into Illustrator to execute our final design. Next, I'll teach how to refine the project and best practices for how to present to a client. Finally, I'll talk about how to share your work on social media to attract future clients. By the end of this course, you'll have all the tools necessary to create logotypes professionally and make them an essential part of a client's branding. To follow my steps, you'll need basic Adobe Illustrator knowledge and a computer with the software installed. Create timeless logotypes and build memorable brands.